When it comes to enhancing the aesthetic appeal and functionality of your Dallas home, installing bay windows is a fantastic choice. While these beautiful architectural features are often chosen for their striking appearance and ability to increase natural light, they also offer significant environmental benefits. By upgrading to bay windows, you can make a positive impact on both your home's energy efficiency and your overall carbon footprint. In this article, we'll explore how bay windows can benefit the environment, improve your home's energy efficiency, and provide a sustainable solution to modern living in Dallas. Maximizing natural light for energy saving. One of the most obvious environmental benefits of installing bay windows is the increase in natural light they provide. This simple upgrade can have a significant impact on your home's energy efficiency and reduce the need for artificial lighting during the day. Reduce electricity usage. Bay windows are designed to capture sunlight from multiple angles, allowing more natural light into your home. As a result, you can enjoy brighter, more welcoming rooms without relying heavily on electric lights. By using less electricity during the day, you'll be reducing your energy consumption and lowering your carbon footprint. Solar heat gain. Bay windows also allow more sunlight to enter your home, which can help naturally warm your space in the winter. This reduces your reliance on heating systems, helping to cut down on energy usage and decrease the amount of fossil fuels burned for heating. In Dallas, where winters can be mild, this can make a noticeable difference in your heating bills. Enhancing insulation and temperature regulation. Bay windows are designed with more glass surface area than traditional windows, but they also provide an opportunity to improve your home's insulation and overall energy performance. Thermal insulation. Modern bay windows often come with double-glazed or triple-glazed glass, which provides an insulating barrier between the inside of your home and the outdoors. These windows help reduce the amount of heat that escapes during the winter and minimize heat gain in the summer, making it easier to regulate the temperature inside your home. Energy-efficient framing. The framing of bay windows can be constructed with energy-efficient materials, such as vinyl or fiberglass, which help prevent air leaks. When installed correctly, these windows create a tighter seal around the frame, preventing drafts and reducing the need for constant heating or cooling. By improving your home's insulation, bay windows help to maintain a consistent indoor temperature, reducing the strain on your HVAC system and lowering your overall energy consumption. Improving ventilation and indoor air quality. Bay windows can also improve the ventilation in your home, which has both environmental and health benefits. The extra space provided by bay windows often allows for larger opening sashes that can improve airflow. Better air circulation. Bay windows can be designed with operable sections that allow you to open the window for better air circulation. This can help reduce the need for air conditioning, especially during the cooler months in Dallas when natural ventilation is sufficient to cool your home. More air circulation also helps reduce stale air and improve indoor air quality, which benefits both your health and the environment. Reduced humidity. Proper ventilation helps to control indoor humidity levels, reducing the risk of mold and mildew growth. This is particularly important in areas like kitchens and bathrooms. By promoting better air quality, you're improving your home's comfort while also reducing the environmental impact of potential mold-related issues that could require harmful cleaning chemicals. Increased use of sustainable materials. When installing bay windows, you have the opportunity to select materials that are both durable and sustainable. Many manufacturers now offer window options made from eco-friendly, sustainable materials that not only improve your home's aesthetic appeal but also reduce your environmental impact. Sustainable window frames. Many bay windows are available with frames made from materials like recycled vinyl or composite wood, which have a much smaller environmental footprint than traditional wood or aluminum frames. These materials are low maintenance, long-lasting, and have minimal environmental impact during manufacturing. Energy-efficient glass. Opting for low-E, low-emissivity glass is another way to increase the sustainability of your bay windows. Low-E glass is treated to reflect heat and UV rays, which helps to keep your home cooler in the summer and warmer in the winter. This reduces the need for air conditioning and heating, further reducing your home's energy consumption and environmental footprint. Increasing the value of your home. While this may not directly impact the environment, upgrading to bay windows can significantly increase your home's value, and in turn, contribute to long-term sustainability. Homes that are energy efficient, aesthetically pleasing, and built with environmentally friendly materials tend to be more attractive to buyers who are looking for sustainable, low-maintenance properties. Attracting eco-conscious buyers. As more buyers prioritize energy-efficient homes with sustainable features, installing bay windows can make your home stand out in the market. This contributes to the longevity of your investment while helping you create a greener home environment for the future. Long-term savings. The energy savings you experience over time by upgrading to bay windows can contribute to your home's long-term value by reducing utility bills and maintenance costs, making it a more sustainable investment. Conclusion. Installing bay windows in your Dallas home offers a range of environmental benefits, from improved energy efficiency and enhanced natural light to better ventilation and sustainable materials. By upgrading to bay windows, you're making an investment that not only enhances your home's design but also contributes to a more sustainable lifestyle. Whether you're interested in saving on energy bills, increasing your home's value, or reducing your carbon footprint, bay windows provide a stylish and eco-friendly solution that benefits both you and the planet.